computer teacher. Today we are going to learn computer, a machine. Key points of today: revision, uses of computer in different fields, types of computer, textbook exercise. Look at the picture. क्या कर रहे हैं ये बच्चे? Guess? No. देखो ये घर पे ऑनलाइन क्लास चला रहे हैं, देखे? See. At home, computer are used at home. For what? Playing a games, listen music, watching movies, help in doing homework. Now, where we used? See. Which picture is this? School. Yes. Used library for keeping records, keeping details of teacher and students, making timetable and preparing results. Now, think about the next place. Let me see. Anybody guess right? What is this? Gift soap. In shops, computer shop पे भी use होते हैं, right? For what? Keeping records of items, making bills. In banks, keeping the details of our accounts, help to withdraw from ATM. Now, which picture is this? Can you guess it? Yes, children, you are right. This is a hospital. In hospitals, computer were used. Help to keep the details of patients. Help doctors to know more about disease and causes. Used for preparing medical reports. Can you guess this picture? ऐसा कोई मूवी देखा है अभी आपने रिसेंटली? नहीं? In space research, right? Help in finding information about the space. अभी एक मूवी आई थी, किसी को याद है? Yes, मिशन मंगल. इसमें आता था ना ऐसे कंप्यूटर यूज होते थे, देखा होगा आपने पूरा. Helps in finding information about space. Then used for sending rockets into space. In designing, helps in designing clothes, cars, machine, buildings, making cartoon film, etc. And help in designing printing books, newspaper and magazines. Now look at this picture. Which picture is this? At railway station and airport. For what? Booking tickets. Used for booking tickets. Help in giving information about arrival and departure. Now, our new topic is types of computer. How many? Desktop computers, laptop computers and tablet computers. Let me see. Which picture is this? What we call this computer? Yes, desktop computer. कंप्यूटर्स कम इन मैनी शेप्स एंड साइजेस. आपने कंप्यूटर्स देखे होंगे, अलग अलग शेप होते हैं, अलग अलग साइजेस के होते हैं, राइट. दिस इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स. दिस इज डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर. डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स आर बिग इन साइज. ये साइज में बड़े होते हैं. दे आर केप्ट ऑन द डेस्क. एंड दिस इज लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर. It is small in size. It can be kept on our lap. Laptop computers can be carried around easily. हम लैपटॉप कहीं भी लेके जा सकते हैं, right children? Now look at this picture. Which picture is this? Can you guess it? Yes children, you are very smart. This is a tablet computer. टैबलेट कंप्यूटर इज लार्जर देन अ मोबाइल फोन्स, है ना. इट हैज़ अ टच स्क्रीन ऑन विच वी कैन राइट यूजिंग अ स्पेशल पर्पस पेन. नाउ लेट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज. सी चिल्ड्रन, लास्ट आपको जो वर्कशीट मिली थी वो आपको नोटबुक में लिखवाया था. नाउ you have to write all things in textbook only. Don't getting confused. You have to write in textbook. Fill in the blanks. State true or false. MCQs. Answer the following questions. So write with proper handwriting with pencil. Okay students, bye. Stay safe.
This is the picture of the first computer. Who invented this? The person who invented computer is Charles Babbage. In this presentation we will learn how computers are different from humans. Let us find who is better, computer or man. See, a computer works very fast, whereas human cannot work as fast as a computer. Next, a computer does not make any mistakes, whereas human can make mistakes. A computer does not get tired, whereas human get tired. Computer can store lots of information and never forgets, whereas humans can forget the information stored in their mind. But in some ways humans are still superior to a computer. How? Let us see. Humans can take their own decisions, whereas computer does not take its own decisions. Human does not need electricity to work, whereas computer need electricity. Human do not need order, whereas computer need instruction to work. Without that, computer cannot work. Hope you all understand this topic. Learn this chapter one more time. Thank you.